Hello, Matthew Taman here from LearnJoomlaFast.com. Welcome to another video tutorial for j2Store. In this video, I want to show you how to use the coupons feature. So from your store, when someone wants to purchase something, coupons are really great because it allows people to purchase things at a discount. So right now, if you notice here, I don't have anything. You can't really see the coupon feature yet. So if I click, let's say, add to cart, and I go to checkout, there's nothing here that shows that someone can get a coupon for it. So I'm going to show you how to enable this feature on the back end. So let me delete this up the cart, and I'm going to go back to the back end, and I'll show you how to do that. So from your dashboard, you want to go to setup, you want to go to configuration. So from the configuration here, you want to go to discount. You have two options here. You have the coupons and you have to give voucher. I'm going to cover the vouchers in a different video. So you want to click where it says enable coupons. You want to click on yes, and then you click on save and close. So now when you go on the front end of the site, you add a product, you're going to be able to see that coupon feature there. So you can add the coupon here, but now you have to create the coupon that someone can be able to use for this. So let's go back here. So you go to sales and you go to coupons and click on new, and you can type in this coupon name, let's say 50% off, whatever you want to call it. And then this is where you put the coupon code in. So you can put whether it's like 50 or whatever code that you want to put here. So make that up. Maybe you're having like a special sale that, like the Christmas sale or, whatever seasonal sale that you're having. You can put, so I'm going to put in here winter. So that's the coupon code that in order for people to have to get that discount, they have to put that code in. And then do you want to include free shipping in this? So I'm not going to mess with that right now. And then this is where you choose the value of it. So I want this to be 50% off. And when you choose the number here, you can choose the value type. So you can have the card discount as a fixed amount. You can have percentage discount, or you can have product discount. So you pretty much going to choose the one that you want. But for this one, I'm just going to choose a card discount, or you can choose anything here. And you can also choose the dates that you want this to be valid from. So I'm going to choose today's date from today. And you can have this for as long as short as you want it to be. Maybe you run a special for like 3 days or 2 days or a week, and you want to have that to run for that period of time. So I'm going to put that from today to the 16th. And then you can go to the advanced. Here you can choose. One of the great things about this is you can choose the coupons for specific categories. So if you have different products and you want to offer coupons not for the entire store, and you just want to offer coupons just for that particular category, you can do that here. And then you add it on there. This is going to be part of it. So now the only products that are eligible are going to be the products that are part of that specific category. So if you have a clothing store, for example, and you want to give all shirts at 20% off, well, this is really great because you put shirts here, whatever you want to give off, and only those items are going to a discount. And then from here, you can also choose the product. So let's say I wanted to have this asparagus here, these two products here at a discount. So I'm going to choose those. So now set value. So now only these two products are going to get the discounted amount that you've designated. And if you want to incorporate brands or manufacturer, you can put that here for all, or you can also type the name of those. And apply when customers logged in. Do you want to apply this when the customer's logged in or not? You can leave that as that. And then you have the group customer group here. So this is really key too. You can create the groups. You can create different things for different groups. So let's say, for example, you have people in different part of the country or different part of the world, whatever groups that you've set up. You can utilize those groups here with your ACL that's part of Joomla. So for now, I can put this here customer group to be registered, or I can just leave it blank if you don't need anything. And you can also designate users for this, user ID, and you can designate the minimum spending. So in other words, what amount do you want them to spend in order for this coupon to be applied? So I'm going to leave that as blank, but you can also designate that as well. And then this is where you set the limit. So you can have users per coupon, or you can have users per customer. So if you want to have, let's say, unlimited users per coupon, or you want to have whatever the number is, this gives you a lot of flexibility because you're able to put the number that you want. So let's say you have 20 coupons that you want to give away. You can leave it at 20, or you have 50 coupons that's limited. So for now, I'm just going to leave that blank, but I just wanted to show you the options that you have. So once you're done with that, you click on save and close. So let's go into the front end of the website now, and we'll first have to refresh this page. So once the page is refreshed, you want to type in the code that we'll put in, which is winter, and the price right now is at $14. So let's click on apply. So you notice now this is the percentage that they're getting off. We're designated at 50% off. So this is the price that they're going to pay. So you can change this to whatever number you want, and it's a great way for you to get your store out, for you to get people to purchase things more, to kind of get some sales up. So this is a really cool feature that you can definitely incorporate how to use coupons on your existing J2Store website.